Welcome to Nailevition. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Christmas design with very simple sponging and some stamping palettes. Now let's begin. To start, I have already applied base gel and cured. Now I'm going to use the number 36 red color. Apply 2 coats. After it's been cured, clean the inhibition layer. Okay, now we're going to use some duct tape. Apply the tape diagonal onto the tip. Make sure the space between the stripes are even. Now I'm applying the number 1 white gel polish onto a palette. And now I'm going to use a makeup sponge to make the ombre white. So dip into the white and then apply it somewhere else. Make sure the white is not very chunky. And apply on the stripe first. On the duct tape first, and then make your way down. When you apply it, make sure you don't apply to the entire nail. Make sure there is some red left in between the lines to make it the airbrush effect. After it's cured, remove the tapes. So now it looks like airbrush effect. Now I'm going to mix some clear sparkle gel to cover the entire nail. So I'm going to use number 78. Not too much. This is like a sparkly silver. And now I'm going to use some clear gel. You can use top gel or base gel or structure gel, whatever you like. Use a spatula to mix them up. Okay, now I'm going to use my brush. Cover the entire nail, not too sparkly to make it look very Christmassy, and cure that. After it's been cured, remove the inhibition layer. Now we need a clear stencil. You can use duct tape or any tape. Just use a round hole puncher to make the hole onto a sticky back stencil. You can even use foams. You can even use like paper foams, and then you make a hole onto it and cut this off. And this can be your stencil. Okay, now we're going to make the circle. So put the stencil at somewhere doesn't have a lot of the white. So I'm going to put it here. Make sure it's all sticked. I'm just going to make the outline of the circle. Okay, if you're happy, cure that for 5 seconds. Okay, take the stencil off. Place it next to the circle. Make our second circle. Second one, don't make it as visible as the first one. Now is your second bubble. Okay, now I'm going to do some snowflakes stamping onto the nail. I'm going to use my white polish, apply to the stencil, wipe using a clear jelly stamper, and then I'm going to choose the place I'm going to put my snowflakes. So I'm going to only do this over here. Do my next one over here. And then I'm going to do a half one over here. If you put too much, don't worry, you can wipe those off. That cleanser, make it into a corner. Get some polish remover, just take those ones you don't want. Now I'm going to apply some letter stickers. After you have been happy with the design, apply top coat. And cure for 30 seconds. Okay, after it's been cured, because it's a non-white surface, so I'm going to apply some white gel polish around it. Do not cure it. Now let's make some fallen snows. Okay, after it's been done, I'm going to use some sparkle glitters. It's like white sparkle snowy glitters. So I'm going to apply the glitters over the nail. After it's been stick onto the nail, cure that for 30 seconds. After it's been cured, remove the dust, and your snowy Christmas nail has been done. So here comes today's Christmas snowflake nails. It's a very simple Christmas design that is suitable for busy salon art and is not very hard to achieve. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe. I'll see you at my next videos.